Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable judges, respected teachers, and all my fellow friends. First of all praises belongs to Allah, the most merciful and the most loving. Because of His blessings, we can join this English speech contest in good health and happiness. Peace and blessings be upon our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who taught us to live with kindness, honesty, and respect. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is RENDHAYU and I am from MTSN 1PATI. Allow me to begin with a simple but have the deepest truth. The greatest harmony begins from the sincerest heart. That is the soul of our time today. Solo, the spirit of Java. And if we look deep into the spirit of our Javanese culture, we'll find that harmony is not just a dream, it's a way of life. In Java, we believe in tepat halira, respecting differences. We believe in gotong royong, standing together, and we live by rukun, peaceful unity in diversity. From the wisdom of the past to the hopes of our future, let us rediscover how the heart filled with empathy, tolerance, and kindness can build a stronger, more peaceful world. That's the journey we began today, from heart to harmony of life. Indonesia is a nation of extraordinary diversity. From Sabang to Merauke, we speak different languages, hold different beliefs, and live different lifestyles. But yet, we stand under one flag. What is it? Can you guess it, guys? Well, you're all right. It is Indonesia. But in such a diverse country, how can we build a strong, united society? The answer can be found in a city at the heart of Java. It is Solo. Solo, or Surakarta, is not just a city of culture and tradition. It is a living example of how sincerity and mutual understanding can unite people from all walks of life. This is why I strongly believe that Solo offers more valuable lessons for the rest of our nation. Well, through this speech, I'm going to share my idea about harmony in diversity. The first is, the spirit of Java encourages respect. The local wisdom of Solo is rooted in a philosophy known as the spirit of Java. It includes values like respect, empathy, and trust. These values are not just ideas, they are lived every day. People greet each other warmly, helping neighbors without expecting anything in return, and solve conflicts through discussion, not division. In Solo, harmony is not just an ideal, it's a habit, and this habit is the foundation of a strong society. The second, Solo celebrates diversity through daily life. Walking through the streets of Solo, and you will find mosques beside churches, traditional Japanese house next to Chinese temples, and people from different religions walking side by side in markets and schools. Major cultural events like Sekaten, Grebek, and Kira Budaya are not exclusive. They invite everyone to participate. That's what mutual understanding looks like. Shared space, shared respect, shared joy. While other places may struggle with division, but Solo offers an inspiring picture of unity without uniformity. And the last but not least is youth can be a chance of unity. The younger generation must learn from the spirit. We are the future leaders, and we must choose to carry of sincerity and mutual understanding, because it is a positive thing. Simple act like listening before judging, helping a friend without being asked, or respecting someone with a different background can plant the seeds of peace in our schools and communities. To conclude my speech, let us remember that Seoul is not just a city. It is a lesson that sincerity and mutual understanding can show the spirit of Java in our actions, our talks, and our future. Let us be the generation that chooses kindness of heart, dialogue of division, and unity of fear. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.